Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage Deadbolt lock keeps spinning bolt fix, alignment and reset guide. If your Schlage Deadbolt thumb turn or key spins freely without engaging the latch, the issue is usually caused by a disconnected or stripped tailpiece inside the cylinder. It can also be a loose or misaligned part within the interior keypad assembly. Fix 1. Check the door alignment. Manually push the latch bolt into the open position while the door is open. Then close the door gently to see if the bolt drops cleanly into the hole. If it's hitting, adjust your strike plate or clear out debris in the hole. Fix 2. Inspect the tailpiece. First, remove the lock. Unscrew the screws on the interior side of the door and remove the interior and exterior lock halves. Then check the tailpiece. The tailpiece is the long flat metal bar that sticks out of the lock cylinder. If it is stripped, broken, or not properly placed in the bolt center slot, the lock will spin freely without moving the bolt. Then re-engage it. Make sure the deadbolt is in vertical upright position. When placing the exterior assembly back on, ensure the tailpiece correctly slots into the actuator of the bolt. Fix 3. Adjust internal solenoid tension. So remove the interior portion of the lock and take off the cover to expose the internal gears and spring. Users agree that modifying the tension by adjusting where the tang or rod sits on the spring allows the solenoid to pull up properly, fixing the slip. Then carefully adjust or reseat the solenoid spring so that it is securely holding the mechanism without slipping when the pressure is applied. Fix 4. Perform a reset. Disconnect the battery or power source and press and release the exterior switch button. Then reconnect the battery holding the button down and hold it until the lock beeps and the keypad flashes solid green, which confirms a factory reset. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.